Endless confusion plays on my mind. I know all my wrongs, but I can't turn them right. Endless confusion plays on my mind. Oh Allah, please guide this broken heart of mine. I see all your signs, but I turn a blind eye, spiraling down in the spiritual decline. Oh Allah, oh Allah, Allah, Allah. Oh Allah, oh Allah, 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 yeah.
It's like I wanna do good, but always fear there's something stopping me. It's like I know the right road, but I'm lost in the wrong street. It's like I'm stuck in the ditch, can't get out cause it's way too deep. My heart hears all the goodness, can't take it in cause it's too weak. Man, why is it when it's Isha, I just wanna go to sleep? Why is it when it's time for Fajr and I'm sleeping, it's too deep? I need some impetus, blessings to keep driving me. Despite my insolence, Rabbil Alameen, keep guiding me.
Endless confusion plays on my mind. I know all my wrongs, but I can't turn them right. Endless confusion plays on my mind. Oh Allah, please guide this broken heart of mine. I see all your signs, but I turn a blind eye, spiraling down in the spiritual decline. Oh Allah, oh Allah, Allah, Allah. Oh Allah, 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 yeah.
Endless confusions triggering my illusions. I know the right path and Allah is the solution, but I'm thinking like half of the time I'm in confusion. I wanna just straighten my act and make ablution, then go and pray on my mat cause I'm just losing. The day-to-day battle is